Namaste Andy. This is Nagaraj. This is Aparna Sarovar Ganesh Utsav Samiti. We are the core members of Aparna Sarovar Ganesh Utsav Samiti, and we have been celebrating this festival for the past 13 years. This is the 13th year we are celebrating. 14th year, but we are doing celebrating 13 because COVID we could not do celebrate 2020. So this is the 13th year. That's how we get a lot of immense pleasure while celebrating Sarovar. This is the time during which Sarovar becomes one family. People from all walks of life, they come together and they celebrate the festival. Different regions, different language people, everyone come and celebrate together. This shows the unity and strength of the Sarovar. Ganesha has been part of our lives actually. We two families, we initiate the celebrations and then we lead the celebrations rather, we lead the celebrations. So it really gives immense pleasure to both of our families, and this has become now part of our families. Without this Sarovar celebration, Ganesha celebration, incomplete basically. That's how it is. So obviously, that gives more energy and the boost. So we were just celebrating. Of course, we were celebrating for our community, and we were very happy. We were searching happiness in this only. But then Ganesha added one more feather into our cap. Grand Ganesha Awards added one more feather into our cap. 23 we could win the first winners, and 22 we were the second prize winners, and we are happy to participate once again in Grand Ganesha Awards, and we're looking forward to win one more prize, first prize. And thanks a lot for Grand Ganesha Awards for making this more popular. And then Aparna Sarovar name is not only audible in Serlingampally constituency, now it's all over Hyderabad. But this is part of Lions Club as well as Telangana Tourism Cultural Department. Thanks for giving more and more name and fame to the Sarovar through Sarovar Ganesha and Grand Ganesha Awards. Thanks a lot. I thank the jury for visiting our community once again. Thank you so much.
Hello Andy, నేను దీపా.
Sai Ramani. Sai.
Thank you Grand Ganesha Award jury team for joining us here. Ganesha అంటే మాకు ఒక ఎమోషన్, పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ లైఫ్. గత 13 years నుంచి 3 months of our every year goes to this, and we are so happy, we feel so blessed that we are doing this, and ante everything revolves around it anamata. And like somebody was just saying, Sarovar Ganesha ante andarki oka expectation undi, dani chusi follow avutunnaru. What we felt so happy is that everybody is trying to maybe I'm not saying we led that, but kind of learning from each other kada, and we are so happy that we could set a good example for others to follow. And మా దగ్గర అన్ని అండి, స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ కల్చరల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ టు ది పూజ. ఇప్పుడు ఇవాళ పొద్దున హోమం అయింది. పార్టిసిపేషన్ ఈజ్ అమేజింగ్. మాకేంటంటే మా నలుగురికి ఉత్సాహం ఏంటి అంటే పార్టిసిపేషన్. సరోవర్లో ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ కిందికి వస్తారు. మధ్యాహ్నం ఇవాళ 1300 మంది మా దగ్గర ఇక్కడ లంచ్ చేశారు. సో ఎవరు ఇంట్లో వండుకోలేదు, ఖచ్చితంగా ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ గ్యారంటీగా కిందికి వచ్చే భోజనం చేశారు. బికాస్ దెర్ ఇస్ అ ఫీలింగ్ ఆఫ్ వన్నెస్, దెర్ ఇస్ అ ఫీలింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యామిలీ బిలాంగింగ్. అండ్ అంటే ఇది కూడా మేము ఈసారి లాల్ బాగ్చా రాజా చేశాము, కానీ మా వాళ్ళందరూ అయితే అంటున్నారు ఆయన దిల్ కా రాజా. He is not only Lal Bagcha Raja or Sarovar ka Raja. That is really true. ఆయన వచ్చినప్పటి నుంచి మాకు ఒక నూతన ఉత్సాహం ఉంది లోపల నుంచి. అండ్ రియల్లీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ, వెరీ బ్లెస్డ్. And thank you to Grand Ganesha Awards jury. Everybody knows about us now, and that has given us a lot more energy to go forward this year. And we were like thinking, okay, what should we do different which nobody else can think, and we do different. చాలా చేసాము. నిన్న కూడా ప్రొసెషన్ లో బైక్ ర్యాలీ దగ్గర నుంచి everything was a super hit, and we always try to showcase our culture. అంటే అన్ని పర్ఫార్మెన్సెస్ కూడా కోలాటం, డిండి, ఫుగ్డి, అన్ని ట్రెడిషనల్ పర్ఫార్మెన్సెస్ బై సరోవర్. One more thing is every program in Sarovar is by Sarovar, completely by Sarovar. 5 points. Actually, first of all is my theme adi, the new attraction for the day. That is what we did. We are doing konni secrets reveal cheyalenemo, but cheptanu meekosam. For example, we are doing an AI based anchoring. So there is going to be on the last day bujji vastadu maaku Sarovar ki. Bujji vastundi, sorry. Kalki nunchi bujji vastundi Sarovar ki to perform. So starting from there to సస్టైనబిలిటీ థీమ్ ని మేము చాలా కోర్ గా తీసుకున్నాము. అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు థ్యాంక్ గ్రాండ్ గణేష్ అవార్డ్స్ ఫర్ దాట్, బికాస్ వెన్ వీ సా ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఫోకస్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఆన్ సస్టైనబిలిటీ థీమ్, we said yes, we have also pushed ourselves. Not that we were not doing, like Kidotsav kani, art and craft. Starting from there, the theme was sustainability. So everyone has to sustain. Even this the mandap what we did will be reused. That because we have taken with the movie things, so they are going to reuse this set. So completely and of course Ganesha అయితే ఎప్పుడు క్లీనే, అది కాకుండా ఎలా చేస్తారో కూడా మనకు తెలియదు. So yeah, a lot of new things that way. I camp, we did I camp for all the house helps. So వాళ్ళకి ఫ్రీ గ్లాసెస్ ఎవరికైతే ఉంటే వాళ్ళకి రికమెండింగ్ ఫర్ క్యాటరాక్ట్ అండ్ చాలా మంది దే థ్యాంక్ సో మచ్. దే ఆర్ లైక్ ఇది మేము చాలా నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేస్తాము బట్ మీరు చేశారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ ద రిజల్ట్ వాజ్ ఇమీడియట్. మేము ఇమీడియట్గా వాళ్ళకి అద్దాలు ఇచ్చేసాము, recommended them to go for and arranged that doctor visits for the next step. Sarovar Kishan, yes. Oh my God, how did I forget that? That is another new thing. So Ganesha platform lo everybody participates. So Sarovar is known for its vibrancy, for all the events that we do. So మేము ఈసారి ఏం చేసామంటే because there are some programs where they don't have a stage, so వాళ్ళకి స్టేజ్ లేదు. So we thought the vibrancy has to be celebrated and everyone has to be showcased. So Sarovar Ki Shan is the program we are doing on Tuesday. Any of you, please feel free, please join us. It will be such a wonderful experience. That is why we were requesting for Tuesday, if possible, Ani. So in that, every event is coming and performing, showcasing. Like Durga తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, what is the theme? What is their mind thought process? వాళ్ళు ఏ కల్చర్ ఇంబైబ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు? ఉగాది, హోలీ, ప్రబల్ తీర్థం, రన్నర్స్ ఉన్నారు, సరోవర్ రన్నర్స్. వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నారు? వై ఆర్ దే సో ప్యాషనెట్ అబౌట్ రన్నింగ్? బాలగోకులం, ఎవ్రీ డే, ఎవ్రీ సండే, వాట్ డ్రైవ్స్ దెమ్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్యాషన్ దట్ డ్రైవ్స్ దెమ్? సో దే ఆర్ కమింగ్. ఎవ్రీ ఈవెంట్ that happens throughout the year is going to come and perform during Ganesha on that day. There are so many things and actually fun and fitness is another theme we are running, just to tell people that fitness is also a very important thing to in today's world. So every day different, like we are doing tomorrow aqua yoga. So there is a trainer, internationally certified trainer, again within Sarovar. She is taking an aqua yoga session tomorrow. So today we did Zumba. There is Yog Mahotsav, heartfulness meditation waldi. So different things. Every day morning 1 hour dedicated for self, dedicated for fitness. So that is another new thing we started. Ganapati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murthy Moria. Yes. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Grand Ganesha Awards Season 5, and we are there at Aparna Sarovar along with the entire Grand Ganesha team, the Yuva team, and the wonderful organizers and residents of Aparna Sarovar. You can see Bappa Moria. This year the theme is Lal Bagh Cha Raja. They have replicated the same theme, and just if you can see around the palace theme that they have created for Lal Bagh Ka Raja, and this is Sarovar Ka Raja. So beautiful excitement, beautiful decoration, beautiful setup, and beautiful people, and lot of excitement. So we are here as usual for Aparna Sarovar. It feels like we are coming back home. Okay, so as things have evolved, Grand Ganesha Awards has also evolved. This is the 5th season, as I said, and when we started there were some 18-20 communities which used to participate. Today we have more than 65 communities who have participated this year, and this goes on. So as and when the number of communities goes on, also each community, they level up every year, because for them it becomes a benchmark of whatever they did last year. So this year the jury, the advisory has decided that we will be having a excellence awards rather than just a regular award. So the Excellence Awards speciality is that there's no winner or runners up or something like that. We have around 30 categories which are defined, and there are a lot of special and jury awards that are deemed to be given, because there are so many aspects that we look at. Our jury members, they look through for almost 42 different parameters out of 63 applications that we received this year, registrations that we received this year. It was further shortlisted to only 28 which we are visiting. So this time what we are looking at Sarovar is, yes, they have created benchmarks of sorts for not only Sarovar, lot many other communities to replicate and get inspired and follow. So this year what I look forward is definitely Sarovar taking home lot of awards, a lot of certificates, and a lot of memories. Sustainability and cultural oneness has always the most prominent feature for Grand Ganesha. This year in particular, apart from these two, one thing that we are very inclined is on inclusion of young adults or teenagers, and that is why we want lot of social media footprint to be created by every community. We have seen that women, children, elders, men, they all equally participate in most of the festivities. Generally, I'm not talking about Sarovar. We have seen all inclusion, but in several festivals we have seen that many a times we see less participation from young adults or teenagers, but they are most important for us to pass on the cultural legacy. So we want inclusion of young adults and teenagers this time, and a lot of social media footprint for sure. One thing that I have seen that there are communities who have been participating since 5 years. They have every year, I was mentioning, every year they have also evolved. They have made it larger than life, and they are keeping on doing that. Major inputs that I have received is yes, the communities now. I feel that a lot of communities, they have in their preps, in their preparations, etc. They are including more and more of residents, and more residents are coming forward. We have seen that progress year on year. It's not only the organizing committee or the management committee who is taking care, or a group of volunteers. It is like hundreds of residents coming together and contributing in their own way, whether the time, effort, money, whatever be it. We have seen apartments, we have seen places where the entire setup is crafted and done by the residents themselves, which generally is a very, very difficult thing. We have seen people, obviously, we have several examples in the past also, where the entire prasad for thousands of people is largely prepared by the residents themselves. So this year also we are seeing that inclusion in decor, in setups, in prasadam seva, and obviously a lot of cultural performances. I have seen one more difference is that a lot of cultural performances this time is towards traditional cultural performances rather than only filmy ones, which was there probably previously. Now this is not the case. I've seen that transformation as well. So basically, the award is the Community Excellence Awards, which is named as Grand Ganesha Awards. And the reason for naming was that Ganesha is one festival where people from various ethnicities, various ethnic backgrounds, they relate with this festival, and this festival goes on for a long duration up to 11 days. So this gives us a very good opportunity to see that in communities, in gated communities, in societies where people from various ethnicities, the Cosmo population, they reside, how they come together for a common community festival, how they bond with each other, how they get to know each other, each other's cuisine, each other's tradition, each other's culture, and that is what exactly is required. This adding to this year as well, we have seen people from various. There are first-hand feedbacks in the past as well as this year that obviously this is our festival, so we would have done our best. But when we are as a community, we are contesting for an award, then we ensure that there is no stone unturned. And that feeling, that hysteria that we have seen in several communities where everybody, they come together, that yes, as a community, as a society, we should win the award. And that kind of oneness, they come together, they come to know each other, the bonding is better. So this is what is the achievement of Grand Ganesha Award, and this is where we also get equal response, equal reciprocation from all the communities where they believe that yes, this is a matter of prestige, and this is a benchmark that we create if we win a title or we win certificates from Grand Ganesha Awards. Grand Ganesha Awards is conducted by Lions Club of Hyderabad Yuva along with the Government of Telangana, their Department of Language and Culture, and we are thankful to the Government of Telangana Department of Language and Culture, Dr. Mamidi Harikrishna sir, who has been of incredible support since day one, and I would like to thank the entire Lions Club of Hyderabad Yuva and our district governor and the district team. Thank you.